Here we are in central Iowa. Just got some snow last night. Not much, maybe 3 inches. Top of what we already had. But it is freaking cold out. Right now it's about -3, about -13 wind chill. And I thought I'd bring you guys along while I start up the old 99 Cummins. It hasn't started in probably 3 weeks or so. I just plugged in the oil pan heater this morning to at least get that warming up. I didn't plug in the engine coolant because otherwise it doesn't like to high idle. So let's just see what happens. Just brushed off all the snow. I'll let it cycle probably twice. As cold as it is, it should go into high idle and then 3-cylinder mode, which is kind of cool to hear. So I'll keep the video rolling for that. She is cold. All right, there's one. A little bit worried about fuel pressure. I have it treated for this coldness, I think, but not with number 1 diesel. I like to have number 1 in there usually. All right, there's 2. I'm gonna do one more because it's been so long. And we're gonna watch the fuel pressure as soon as we start. I expect it to be kind of low during initial start, but here we go. Oh no, battery's dead. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, here we go again. Now I'm gonna charge the battery, but I have this jumper pack. I've been curious. It claims it'll start a diesel, but I don't honestly even know what the battery is like in this thing right now. I just used it the other day. Let's see what happens. Sorry, it is freaking cold out. I can't hold my phone very good. Usually this little jumper pack will do the job when nothing else will, so I'm curious. Let's see. Okay, we got a green light. She's ready to rock. This is, I don't know. We'll see. She was dead. I don't think I'm gonna be able to let the glow plugs heat up. It'll probably take all the juice. Huh. Normally, that green light would be red after you try and crank it like that. It kind of tells me it's not hooked up good enough. Let's try something else. Well, it's doing something. I can hear it. The fuel pump. Alright, let's try it again. Let it go for a second here. Yeah, my voltage is showing real low too. I'm sorry for all the shaking, but seriously, my hands are freezing. Alright, I'm just gonna have to charge up. I'll stop the video, come back later after it's charged, so you can hear the cold start later. Okay, here we go again. I took the battery out of my skid loader. Put it in here, but the secondary battery is probably, bad, so I have the jumper on that. See what happens, please. I mean, this battery's a little small for this truck from the skid loader, but it was still fully charged as far as I know. 10 is the number you're supposed to stay above. Grid heater comes on, it jumps down. As long as that's a correct reading though, because sometimes when diesel's gelled up or acting weird, it'll be jumpy. Alright, now you guys, I gotta show you the, it's gonna go into high idle. I put my glove on. There it goes. That should kick into 3-cylinder high idle. From back here, not so much as the motor. We're going to check fuel pressure again. Huh. That was not on last time I drove it, but who knows? I'll check it out later. Fuel pressure isn't the greatest, but then again, it's below zero. This happened last winter, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, it was so good. And then it just kind of took off. Alright, well,